Hello, hi, this is Mr. Tran. I will be the sixth grade counselor next year, and I will be your counselor for the next 3 years when you come to our school. So I'm excited to meet with all of you, fifth graders. Next year will be Cougars with us, and I'm hoping this uh, video and these slides will be helpful for you and your parents. So when you come to our school, know that we will have a rotating block schedule. That means our periods work like this. There'll be 3 periods a day. They're 96 minutes per period. Then you have a 15-minute break, and then you have a 40-minute lunch. So that makes up our school day. We start at 7:45 and end the day at 1:55 p.m. There will be also a calendar, which you'll see on the screen, that is our rotating block schedule. This is something we just want you to see. You'll get familiar with it next year. It will tell you each day which classes you'll be going to. And also, just for you to know, every Wednesday is a late start day. We start at 8:40 that day, so it's a little bit later. But every Wednesday, most of our Wednesdays throughout the year will be a late start day. In that day, you go to all of your periods, 6 periods on that day. At Chaparral here too, you're going to have lots of opportunities to be involved with extracurricular activities. We have many clubs on campus that teachers and administrators advise for. For example, this year I am the advisor for the Smash Brothers Club, and it's a place that the students come and they play that game after school once a week. It's lots of fun. It's a great place for students to get to know each other, meet each other, and do something they enjoy in common. And then you're going to see a video right now of all the clubs that we've had in the past. Some of these may or may not happen next year, but we're always encouraging students to try to start clubs and find an advisor here at our school. Here at Chaparral, every student will also have the opportunity to go to science camp in 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade. At science camp, it's a week away from home, 5 days, and it will be in May, and it will be in Arrowhead. So just look forward to that, and here's a video about what camp looks like.
Tell your parents how much fun you're having.
I'm having fun.
One other thing that would be important for you as students, and especially as parents to know, is how to communicate with our school whenever there is a concern. So with classroom concerns, for example, questions about assignments, questions about grading, questions about the syllabus or projects, that's where students, you can talk with your teacher first. That's because that's where the teacher can give you the most information. They know you best. Parents, same thing. You can email the teachers, ask questions about those things. If your child is unable to do it on their own, then you can reach out to the teacher and get that information as well. And hopefully that resolves your concerns, resolves anything that you want to be addressed. And then for non-classroom concerns, for example, friendships, social media issues between students, conflicts between students, that's where you can reach out to the counselor, and that would be me. So students, you can reach out to me at school. Parents, you can reach out to me by email or by phone, and then I could address those and help you out with that. Okay, and then after that, if the concern that is not resolved and it becomes more complicated, then we encourage parents that you would schedule a parent conference with the teacher. In sixth grade, you can schedule one with all the teachers, which is the core, and then we could all meet together and you can get feedback about how your child is doing in class, as well as maybe the behaviors of other students, conflicts, and that could be addressed that way as well. And then if that, then the last step would be if is not resolved, then I can step in as a counselor. We can all meet together with family and teacher and student. All right, I hope that helps. And I'm sure if you have questions, please save those. There'll be opportunity to bring those up with me when we meet next year.